Assalamualaikum my dear students, how are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 5. So my dear student, let us start our class. Today is our lecture number 37 of half yearly and today's SW number will be 25. Dear student, our topic name exercise 7a. From 7a we shall solve question number 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14 as your CW and SW will be given after completing our class. So my dear student, let us start. Today we shall learn the division of decimal numbers. So here the question number 9 is from question number 9 we shall solve question number 7 and 8. Here 7 is 0.056 divided by 7. So we do it first. 7 is divisor here and dividend is 0.056. Dear students, so easy. Okay, in 0 7 goes in how many times? 7 goes in 0 times. So we write here 0 and this point, for this point I write here point and after point there is 1 0. See this 1 0, not this digit. This digit is placed here. Okay, so this is 0. In 0 7 goes in how many times? 7 goes in 0 times. That means 7 zeros are 0. Next we write here 5. In 5 7 goes in how many times? 0 times. 7 zeros are 0. Okay, if we subtract then we get 5. Then this 6 is placed here. In 56 7 goes in how many times? 7 goes in 8 times. 7 8 are 56. 0. So what will be the answer? The answer will be 0.008. Okay, so we write here answer question 0.008. Okay, I hope you have understood. And reminder is 0. No need to write reminder. Okay, so 9 7 done. Next we shall solve 9 8 and it is similar as question number 7. 9 divided by 0.072. In 0 9 goes in 0 times. That means 9 zeros are 0. For this point I write here point and after point this is 0. This 0 is placed here. Okay, in 0 9 goes in 0 times. 9 zeros are 0. Then we placed here this 7. In 7 9 goes in 0 times. So 9 zeros are 0. Then this 7 is placed here and this 2 is placed here. 72. In 72 9 goes in. 9 8 are 72. So the answer quotient is 0.008. Dear student, do you notice? Answer of question number 7 and 8 both are same. Okay, so question number 9 done. Next we shall solve question number 10. Question number 10 is 10 7 5 0.03. In 0 5 goes in 0 times. So we write 5 zeros as 0. Then for this point I write here point. This 0 is placed here. So in 0 5 goes in 0 times. That means 5 zeros are 0. And 3 in 3 5 goes in 0 times. 5 zeros are 0. So we write here 3. And after 3 1 0 is placed here. In 30 5 goes in how many times? 5 goes in 6 times. 5 6 are 13. Dear student, you have a question. Sir, this 3 has after 3 there is no 0 but you write here 0. Why? Because we know that after point if we need any 0 or after that point we can take. Okay, so 3 in 3 5 goes in 0 times, so 3. So in 3 5 is not countable. For this reason we take 0 and in 30 5 goes in 6 times. So the answer is quotient 0.006. Okay, 7 done. Next we shall solve question number 8, which is 8 divided by 0.04, same as question number 7. In 0 8 goes in 0 times. Then up for this point I write here point, this 0 is placed here. In 0, 8 goes in 0 times, 0 8s are 0, and 4. In 4, 8 goes in 0 times, cause we know that 8 ones are 8, 8 is greater than 4. So we take 0 times, 0 8s are 0, and 4. Okay, we subtract and we get 4. Okay, now we take a 0, cause after point we can take 0. So in 40, 8 goes in how many times? Goes in 5 times, 5 8s are 40. So we get 0.005 as the question, and it is the answer 0.005. Okay, so question number 7, 8 both done. Next we shall solve question number 11. Question number 11 is 8 number question. 4 is divisor here and 52.184 is the dividend. In 5, 4 goes in 1 times, 4 ones are 4, and we subtract 1, this 2 is placed here. In 12, 4 goes in 3 times, that means 4 3s are 12, and for this point we write here point, and we know one single digit is written here, that means which is 1. In 1, 4 goes in 0 times, that means 4 zeros are 0, and subtract 1, this 8 is placed here. In 18, 4 goes in how many times? 4 goes in 4 times, 4 4s are 16, we subtract and we get 2, and this 4 placed here. In 24, 4 goes in 6 times, 4 6s are 24. Okay, my dear student, this is the answer. 13.046 is the solution of question number 8, and it is the question. You can write Q equal to 13.046. Next we shall solve question number 12, and it is so easy. 12 number question is, here divisor is 8 and 1 is dividend. 1 is less than 8, so we take 0 times, 0 8s are 0, we subtract and we get 1. My dear student, we can divide this 1 by 8, so we give point. For this point I write here 0. Okay, now in 10, 8 goes in 1 times, 8 ones are 8, and subtract we get 2. Okay, so we know that for after taking point, then we get 0 bonus in every times. So in 20, 8 goes in how many times? 8 goes in 2 times, 8 2s are 16, we subtract and we get 4, and we get 1 0 bonus. And in 40, 8 goes in 8 5s are 40. So answer, the answer is 0.125, which is the question. Question equal to 0.125. So 12 number question done. Next we shall solve question number 13. 13 number question is, all the math are same. 35 divided by 148.4. Dear student, 148.4 is the dividend and 35 is the divisor. Dear student, 14 is smaller than 35. For this reason we take 3 digit. Okay, in 148, 35 goes in 4 times. 4 5s are 20, 3 4s are 12, plus 2 14, and we subtract we get 8. Okay, now we placed 4 here, but after 148 there is point. So for this point I write here point. So this 4 is placed here. In 84, 35 goes in 2 times, so 70. If we subtract we get 14, and as point is already come, then we get 1 0 bonus in every times, every steps. So in 140, 35 goes in 4 times, 140. Okay, this is the answer of question number 13. 7. 4.24. And our last question of this class, 14 4. 42 divided by 100. 14 4. 100 divided by 42. In 42, 100 goes in 0 times. Okay, then we subtract and we get 42. And for this point, I write here 1, 0. So in on 420, 100 goes in 4 times, 400, and we subtract, we get 20. And we know that for every step we get on 0 step, on 0 as bonus. In 200, 100 goes in 2 times. That means 200 on the 200. So we subtract 0. So what is the answer of this question? 0.42. Question 0.42. Now my dear student, I shall give you some problem as your SW. So this is SW number 25 and you do this SW from exercise 7a. From 11 you shall solve question number 5, 6, 7, and from 12 you shall solve question number 5 and 6. And you must do your assign SW in SW copy, submit it regularly in our school campus in every Saturday with 9 am to 3 pm. So my dear student, keep practicing at home, abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.